Glowberry toys, let's play! As the sun begins to set, the colorful construction vehicles rest quietly on the sand. They know they work together to finish an important job. After many loads of sand, the big sandhill slowly becomes smaller. The construction team feels proud of their hard work. The second tractor delivers its load too. The sand is now forming a new pile that will be used for building roads and playgrounds.